Hey guys, I'm Jose.
I'm Mala.
And welcome to IG Bachata Moves. All right guys, this last move is from Abdiel and Leti. All right, and we're gonna break down a couple of things when it comes from moving our hips together. All right, so the first thing we wanna do is to get into shadow position. So again, the easiest way to do that would be to go from a cuddle step and stop her halfway, or a turn if you want to call it. Now from here, I'm gonna let go of my left hand. That's what's important about this move. Now, she has to be close to me. She has to be attached to my body, and my frame is attached to her frame. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift my right side to cause her to lift her hip, and we're gonna go ahead and do this little squat, like a little teardrop with your booties. All right, so let's do it one more time. We're gonna up, squat. Now here, gentlemen, what we wanna do is we wanna make sure the lady gets her frame, all right, to one side, all right? From here, the ladies are gonna go ahead and adjust out, and then guys, you have to pull her, let her know that you want her to come back into your frame. From here, make sure she collects herself, and then we're gonna go ahead and just spin her out here to end the move, all right? So, ladies, there's a lot of things for you to know, so Mala can explain that for you, all right? So let's start from here.
Basic, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn. Now, I have to feel my butt in his leg, okay?
There you go.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. My head to the left side, lead my head out to the right side, then back in, tap, and turn out.
Tap. All right, now, guys, there is a lot of stuff going on with this hand as well. All right, once she's here and I shift her body, all right, I can help her a little bit, but the important thing is for me to lift my hand. I can pick her up here. Now, I still have a connection here. When she's going out, we're going away from each other. It's like a buoyancy. I want to pull her back in to allow her to come center so we can move here. So really, a lot of the tension is just by one hand, what makes this move look simple, but it's actually very technical when it comes to frames right here. All right, so one more time without any stopping. So you have your basic step. All right, let's get into our shadow position. All right, hold her close. Guys, get up, squat. All right, torso out, pull it back in, together, and we're back here at our basic step. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for joining us. All right, those are the moves.